Hi everyone, Daniel here from the Daniel Eigenman Family Forum. I hope that you are all well. Today, I want to ask you a question. Usually I try to answer questions that I get during the week in my weekly videos, but today I want to ask you a very simple question. How much are you willing to do to get the savings that you require? See, I get the question asked all the time. Now, how much, Daniel, how much deposit do I need to buy a house? Obviously, the answer will depend on your own situation. The standard answer is 20% of the value of the house plus cost. That includes stamp duty, settlement agent fees, etc. Or if you don't have the 20%, it could be less. It could be 10%, 5%. And in some cases, if you have access to the bank of mom and dad, you might be able to buy a property with no money down. But today I want to ask you a question. Once you find out exactly how much savings do you need, what are you willing to do? I see that all the time. People say to me, well, that's too much, I can't do it. But really, think about it. If you really want to buy a house and you know exactly how much you need to save, and really the important thing here is find out exactly how much you need to save. Then you've got a goal in mind. Then you look at how much money you already have and you look at how much you need to have and then put into place a plan to get that money by a certain time. Now, if it's 6 months, 12 months, or even 2 years, if you know exactly how much you need, you can then put a plan together. But that's easy for me to say that. I can tell you exactly what to do. You can go online, read about it. People can tell you this is what you need to do. But really, at the end of the day, it's up to you. Again, what are you willing to do to put together the deposit you need to buy that house you've been dreaming of? Once you've decided you're going to do whatever it takes, let me give you some ideas on how you can do it. First of all, you want to look at where can you save money? I.e., start with looking where your income, where your money is going now. What are you spending your money on? Have a look at your household budget. I know that budget is a dirty word. No one wants to talk about it, but it's important that you look at where is my money going. Have a look at whether there's a few things you can cut. And remember, every dollar will help. Is there anything that you can cut? Now, are you buying lunch every day? Could you, for example, make your own lunch and save yourself some money? Are you buying too many coffees? I look at myself, for example, I probably buy too many coffees. All right, so look at where your money is going and see where you can make some savings. And remember, it doesn't have to be forever, but you've got a plan in mind now. You know exactly how much you need to save, or you put your plan in place. If you need to cut some luxuries for a little while, so be it. Remember, what are you willing to do? Look at, now, you could also save some money, for example, on insurance, for example. No, that's called a lazy tax. On your car insurance, have you called your insurance to see whether you could save some money there? Can you move to a different provider and save money there? So there's plenty of places, plenty of ways you can save your money. You could also, if you've got a number of debts, you could consolidate your debt into one and therefore save on your, the money that you pay every month. That will help you as well. Now, the savings that you make, put that into your savings account. Now, that's saving some money. All right? Now, let's have a look at how you can make some money. Because you see, you can use both. Save the money and make more money. Have you looked at maybe doing some more hours? Have you asked for a raise lately? No? Can you find a second job? Do you have a skill that you can sell? Well, think about it. Is there anything in your garage, in your house, that you could sell on eBay or maybe Gumtree and make some money that way? Remember, you are in I need to save a set amount of money by a certain amount of time so that I can buy my house. So what do I do? Again, let me ask you a question. What are you willing to do? And really, that is my message for today. Think about it. How badly do you want to buy your new house? Only you can answer that question. Okay, if you want it really, really badly, what are you willing to do? Remember, you can find ways to save money, but at the same time, you can find ways to make money. If you got any questions about what I spoke about today, give me a call on 0412 022 110 or simply leave a message down there. If you want to find out exactly how much you need, and this is really where you should start, because if you don't know how much you need, you're never going to have that motivation. It's going to be like, how long is a piece of string? If I can tell you to the dollar how much you need to save. If you need some help in putting your plan together, I can help you as well. But again, let me ask you the question. How much are you willing to do? How badly do you want it? Thanks, guys. Have a great week. And Joe, I hope you're well. Travis, I saw you there as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week. Thanks. Bye.